Hello guys, welcome to Audible Talent. Do you know that up to 2 million freelancers sign up on Upwork every year? And there's one consistent question within them that they ask from year to year. And that question is, how do I win jobs on Upwork? It means that this question has been asked up to 2 million times on the internet, but no real answer. This video is going to expose some secrets on how to actually win jobs on Upwork. Now, the funny thing about this secret I'm going to expose is that it's something that you have never actually thought of. So we would go through the real traditional ways of applying for jobs and, writing proposals to win jobs. But winning jobs on Upwork goes way more than applying for jobs. Sit back. In a few minutes, I'm going to be touching on all this. In case you forgot my name is Franco. Stay tuned. So many people would want to ask the question, why should we listen to Audible Talent? Audible Talent is actually made up of two freelancers who are top rated and also top rated plus, with a combined revenue nearly $200,000 and a combined hour work of more than 10,000 hours and also more than 450 jobs executed. So if you're wondering whether you should listen to us, yes, you should, because we have the experience. Now, by far, we are not the most or the smartest freelancers that exist, but we are passionate about using our experience to help other freelancers so that you don't have to make some of the mistakes that we did when we're coming up. So one of the things that you really have to concentrate on while positioning yourself to win jobs is your profile title and your profile overview. So many people just sign up on Upwork and just want to start earning money almost immediately. But it doesn't work that way. It's not an open sesame. What you should do is to intentionally create a profile that clients can identify with and actually know what you do. Now, if you scroll through Upwork, you see so many profiles that will never win jobs because clients don't know what you offer. And by so doing, because you're not communicating, because you're not sending the right message, you are sending away the client's traffic that comes to your profile. So first, create a clear title that states emphatically what you do. For instance, if you are a graphic designer with an experience in probably social media, so you could just say social media management, graphic designing, and whatever you want to add there. For instance, if they are more. Create it, let it be stated emphatically. Don't try to run around the bush and start mentioning things that shouldn't be there. One of the ways at which you can leverage visibility is also to take care of your background. Right after the title, the next thing that you find in your Upwork profile is the background. The background is important because it's like a window at which clients can see who you are. Firstly, clients want to know who you are. And what makes you who you are on the platform is the skill that you can offer. So clients wants to know your skill, most importantly, more than your name, because your name is already written there on the profile. Secondly, the client wants to know which tool that you can use. In summary, in your background, you should ensure that you have your skills spelled out, the tools that you use spelled out, and your other innate abilities spelled out. The clients that flood Upwork are looking for different skills entirely, including soft skills. So on your background, you should be able to list these skills, these tools, and all the things that actually make you stand out or unique as a person. These things have to be written professionally and formally in a way that can attract client credibility. Finally, you have to pay attention to your tags. Many freelancers will bear witness that most of the times you get jobs that you do not qualify for, or jobs that are not even in your category. Part of the reason is because you have added a tag that's not supposed to be on your profile. For you to understand those tags, you need to really check what your skills and your tools are, and then it would input them. To reorganize your skill tag area, start by removing every tag that is not related to your project or related to the kind of skill that you have. Once you have removed that, then sit down, try to write out every tool, every skill that are related to your profile. Once you are able to do that, you can now plug in those skills and tools one after the other into the skill tag area. Note that 15 skill tags are just what you can put for now. Probably if Upwork would update on that, we don't know, because an average freelancer has so many skills and use so many tools. Don't forget, your profile is like a landing page. If you cannot write the right language that would actually motivate your client to hire you, then that profile has failed. Once you have completed all these things I've noted about your title, your background, your skill tags, and your testimonials, the next thing would be to show up all the time. See, Upwork is built in a way that if you're not coming to the platform, there's some things that you even miss out. So the simple way to get the badge that says you are a rising talent, it's not even by winning a job. It's by showing up on the platform at least 2 weeks or more after you have signed up. Then when Upwork sees your dedication, that you come around, and you not just come around, you apply for jobs, they give you the Rising Talent badge to encourage you. Now, just very few newbies get this Rising Talent badge or even know what it's all about. So the fifth way you can ensure that you get a job or that can make you stand out when clients are choosing people to actually give jobs to is showing up. Show up, because sometimes clients even look for only those people that are online to send that invite to. So if your badge or your profile is not showing online, how do clients reach you? So one of the things that you are going to do, which I would call the sixth thing, is to always apply for jobs. Always apply for jobs, and you have to set a reasonable number of jobs that you should apply for in a week, so that you will stand a higher chance of actually winning a job. Now, listen to me. If I have a friend that submits job proposals to at least 4 clients a day, and I do just twice a day, my friend would have a larger opportunity to land a job than myself. Yes. So the chances of landing a job for him is higher than mine, because he sends out 4 proposals, 4 good proposals, not just great proposals that are written shabbily. Now, talking about shabby proposals, there are laid down ways that you can actually use to write your proposals and to attract clients. Audible Talent has a template for this. For instance, if you want to get through to us, you can click on any way you see our website and then get through to us for us to help you with the templates that works. Finally, set up a project catalog. Set up a project catalog. Project catalog is one of those places where you have to itemize your projects and put prices to it, so the clients can just come and purchase them without even asking so many questions, because all they need to know is already in that project catalog. Create one. Find time to actually list your skills and be more coordinated. Once you put this out, you would have more visibility. You have more opportunities to earn. But you need to put in the work. You need to put in the work holistically. So on Upwork, it's actually wrong to focus on only one mate. Just like in life, there's no way you can go far if you focus on only one stream of income. So on Upwork, you need to make yourself visible by optimizing your profile, setting out your skills. Then secondly, you need to make sure that you write good proposals that will attract more clients, and you need to do this consistently. And lastly, you need to make sure that you set up a project catalog that will be visible. To see this project catalog video, you can actually click on this link above. I hope this video answers your question. How do you get jobs on Upwork? Getting the job on Upwork is not something that comes easy. I must tell you, it took me at least 3 months to land my first job on Upwork. But today, I hardly apply for jobs, probably in 1 or 2 months. So this same thing can happen for you if you optimize your profile in a way that clients can actually reach you in different ways. And you have to show up everywhere. Optimize your profile with the right words, with the right skill, and everything will fall in place. Once again, my name is Franklin, and I'm from Audible Talent. If you want to know more about Audible Talent, please click on our website or reach out to us on email or go to our website www.audibletalents.com for more details. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again. Bye for now.